Hey Judy, bar.
Hi.
What is one thing that really grinds your gears when you see listings in the MLS?
So, a couple things that grind my gears as far as looking at listings in the multiple listing service. When you are representing a seller, I think it's very, very important to have professional pictures and drone photography. I cannot believe that there are sellers out there willing to work with agents that are still taking pictures with their cell phone. It needs to be elevated. And that's what I do. I elevate my service over other agents. Drea and I do a really good job of marketing your property. One other thing that grinds my gears is when agents take pictures of the toilet seat up. I don't know, in the almost 30 years of real estate, I've never sold a house because the toilet seat was up. So anyway, those are just a couple of things. Keep me in mind. I really want to list your property because the market's still very strong.